three significant Hindu religious events in July are the globally acclaimed Jagannath Rath Yatra of Puri, Odisha, the Pandharpur Yatra of Pune, Maharashtra, and the Kavar Yatra with Kavariyas traveling to all the Jyotirlingas across the country. The deity of Lord Jagannath, reincarnation of Sri Krishna, visits along with his brother Balram or Balabhadra and sister Subhadra on three magnificent wooden chariots drawn by temple priests and accompanied by thousands of devotees. This journey begins from the Jagannath temple in Puri to the Gundicha temple. Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra commenced on June 29 with a celebration on July 7. The Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra is the oldest and the grandest pilgrimage festival in India and is also mentioned in the Skanda Purana, Brahma Purana, and Padma Purana. The 21-day long Pandharpur Yatra or Wari festival of Maharashtra takes off from Pune city to reach Pandharpur temple of Lord Vithoba or Vitthal on Devshayani or Ashadi Ekadashi. Vithala is venerated as a form of Sri Krishna. According to legend, Sri Krishna came to see his beloved devotee Pundalik, but Pundalik was busy serving his parents and asked the Lord to wait. Krishna obliged by standing on a brick known as Veet in Marathi on the ground, which is Thal in Marathi. Of special significance are two palkis of the major saints, Sant Gnaneshwar Maharaj, whose samadhi is at Alandi, and Sant Tukaram Maharaj, whose samadhi is at Dehu. Thousands of Varkaris or pilgrims from across the state accompany the palkis throughout this yatra, singing bhajans and worshipping at various holy sites and water bodies along the way until the palki return to Pune. Kavar is a sacred vessel used for carrying holy Ganga water, and thousands of Kavariyas, devotees of Lord Shiva, carry these on their shoulders across the country to the 12 Jyotirlingas. Kavars are even taken abroad to Shiva temples in Nepal, Mauritius, etc. The month of Savan or Shravan is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who consumed the poison that threatened humanity during the Samudra Manthan, turning his throat blue, therefore the name Nilkantha. The gods offered Ganga water to Lord Shiva to alleviate the burning sensation in the throat. The Kavar Yatra symbolizes this act of offering water to Lord Shiva during Shravan and seeking blessings. Beginning on Monday, July 22, this yatra will end on Friday, August 2, which is also celebrated as Shravan Shivratri.